Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to copy a Notion page to another account. First, go to your account and click on the page you want to copy. Then on the upper right corner, click on the share button. Now type in the email of the account where you want to copy the page into. Make sure that the account has full access, then click invite. After that, go to the invited account, then click on your profile at the upper left corner and you'll see the page where you are invited. Click on it. Then click on the three dots beside the page and select duplicate to and choose your Notion. Then that's it. You now have your own copy of the page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.